Oakley dokley. So we've just left Glencoe village in Ballachulish. We're now on the road to Oban. We'll go through places like Kintallen. When I was a scuba diver, I used to dive off the Kintallen Hotel at the pier anyway. And there's a beautiful wall there. A wall. I mean, how can a wall be beautiful? But in diving terms, a big vertical drop down, and it's filled with amazing sea life. So I think that's Loch Linnhe from memory, or Loch Linnhe. It's one or the other. Loch Linnhe is the one that goes all the way up to Fort William. But yeah, this is a cracky piece of road, but we'll go through and we'll see nice wee castles and stuff. So we'll keep us on, and again we'll chuck on some music so you can enjoy this piece of the trip. All right. Music. I don't know whether the droplets on my visor are inside or out. Okay, this is us coming over the Connell Bridge. Down there is the Falls of Laura. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's some serious currents and everything going down there. It's a mass when the tide's going in or out. Oh, there's kayaks down there. So I used to dive down there, and when it's on what's called slacks, where the tide's just neither coming in nor coming out, it's a really spectacular drift dive. However, when that water's going in or out, you're daft. It's like diving in a washing machine. So yes, so that means we are only a few minutes away from coming into Oban, and interestingly there's a load of nice blue sky ahead in the distance, which is awesome. So I'm hoping we'll get some of that, because the weather has turned pretty rank. So welcome to sunny Oban, the gateway to the Isles. I will not be going to the Isles today. 7 degrees, toasty at sea level. Well, to go back the way, we have to go back the way to go the way that we want to. So are we going straight on to find somewhere to eat? Yeah. Yeah, if we want to go back to the Tyndrum way, it's back that way. The Dalmally Road is back the way. This way we're going just now, if we were to carry straight on, it would take us down to Lochgilphead. This is the Calmax. This is the gateway to the Isles. That's where all the ferries going off to the islands. Oh, feet up. Yes! Right folks, this is Loch Awe. You'll see it, the water looks amazing. This is an awesome loch, it's beautiful. And I think this is the power station where, if anybody's watched Andor, then the Empire's base that they are working in is the power station up in those hills up there. So apparently this is well worth a visit. So I'm going to make a point of coming up here and having a Star Wars day and pay it a wee visit. Anyway, onwards and forwards. Guys, thanks again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today's trip. It's been hard weather-wise. It's been really rainy and windy again. I was really hoping to get a nice day for you, but unfortunately that wasn't to be. It's Scotland, but it still was impressive. Lovely day out. So I'm going to say my goodbyes because my microphone's about to die. See you in the next video. Woo! Wee bit of an emergency stop there for the lights. Anywho, music.